All right, so we have done a lot of work on the engine compartment area. As you can see, I painted the sides and everywhere in the engine bay, and it is really nice. And it's not quite shiny. It looks even more shiny on camera than it does in real life, but it's got more of like a satiny, soft look to it. And it's basically, I did the whole inside of the engine bay. Yeah, I did the radiator wall too, battery tray. So what I did is I put down a 3-in-1 primer. I used the Dominion Sure Seal etching primer, and I did it in gray so that way I could see where I'm painting. And so I used a Duplicolor semi-gloss engine enamel in black. And I did the whole engine compartment with that, and I really like that finish. It is really durable, super strong, low gloss, black. It has like almost like a satin kind of finish to it that I love, and it's worked on tons of other parts really well. So where we are now is I have to put in the thermostat. I never put that in when I redid the thermostat housing, the water pump and all that, because I wanted to put it in after and clean out the whole system. So I got a 160-degree thermostat, which I need to put in now. Not looking forward to it because I've already done this. Don't want to do it again. So let's take out the thermostat housing. All right, everybody, do me a favor real quick. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out if you guys do this. Also, go ahead and set your bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'm really loving doing this. This is so much fun, and we're making some good progress here. Not as bad as I thought it would be that time around, seeing as how I've done it before. Replaced the thermostat, got that done, put in a new fuel filter, the safer kind, that plasticky kind. I know they degrade easier, but I don't know, everybody was yelling at me pretty much to change it from glass to plastic. It's looking so good now. I just got to clean the power steering pump up. Also the exhaust manifold, the gasket, I've got to replace that, clean the manifold. I got the shorter spacer in here as well. So I ordered this Champion radiator and got a pretty good deal on it. It's a 3-core aluminum radiator and it looks great. It's gonna be awesome. Hopefully it'll fit, hopefully it works. I haven't tried it yet. I've been going all over the place to try and find fittings for the trans cooler lines. That's been really annoying, and that's been my problem when it comes to these radiators that are aftermarket. I couldn't pull the old ones off my old one because they had seized inside and they were no good anymore. So I had to get an adapter to fit this, and then I had to go buy other fittings. So hopefully they work, we'll see. And this, my friends, is the new radiator. Just wanted to say, Seriously, I have the coolest wife in the world. It was recently my birthday, and check out what she got me for my B-day. I mean, woo! Come on. A nice wood grain steering wheel. I mean, that it doesn't get much more beautiful than that. Thank you to her for this amazing, awesome B-day gift. So we're gonna throw it on. We're gonna try and take the old steering wheel off and put this new beautiful bad boy on. Yeah, yeah. So I just installed the new steering wheel, CJ Classics. It's looking really good. I just gotta get emblem for the horn here. This thing is sweet. It feels so good. It's gonna be great. I'm really loving this, and it's a little bit smaller than the original, which is nice. So it's easier to sit in here with it. It's not as wide. It still is really just comfortable and great. So let's keep going. Also got the power steering cylinder that I need to put in as well, because the one that's under there is in terrible shape and leaking. So I need to put that in. Alright, y'all, so it is like super toasty in the garage today. I got the swamp cooler running, got 2 box fans going, and it is toasty. So one thing we're gonna do, though we've reached the point of, is I ordered a new front valance. So this is my new front valance, however you want to say it. I don't know, I don't care. You get the point, you know what it is. Yeah, got a new one for the front, which is gonna look so good. So good. Now I just gotta figure out how to mount it. Not that low. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. Okay, so let's get this thing mounted, shall we? Alright, y'all, so let's recap what we did. Got the radiator all put in. I also didn't show this, but I replaced this fuel filter with like a plastic one because I had the glass one on and everybody was calling out, like, once I start driving it, it's kind of dangerous, it'll break, so I switched that out. Obviously we're carrying fuel, so that's good. I ended up putting on this short spacer here, so that way there's like a small gap in between here, you know, the fan and the actual radiator. It was keeping everything super cool. I don't know, 160, like consistently running for like 20 minutes at idle, so, or a little under 160. I also ended up putting this fender back on. Next, I'm gonna order some brakes. So I think I'm gonna go with Open Tracker racing brakes, just do some front discs. I talked to John over at Open Tracker. He was super helpful and like really friendly. So he sent me all this information on their brakes. And I think I'm gonna go with those Kelsey Hayes like type of brakes. So that way I can just put them on, put the front disc brakes on, and then also replace the shoes on the back. With their kits come a dual bowl master cylinder. So I'm gonna put one of those in, get rid of the single bowl master cylinder. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to set your bell notifications so that you're reminded every time I post a new video. Once again, I really appreciate all of y'all's support and thank you so much. This is so much fun. I love this project. I can't wait for the next project. I don't even know what it's gonna be, but yeah, we're getting close on this one. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye.